Welcome back. It's been a long week. We had the Independence Day celebration. USA! 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 And if you remember from last week, I've hurt my back. I am not recovered. It's been a struggle. Last time I hurt my back this bad, I was in physical therapy for 6 weeks. So I feel a little better today, but not great, and definitely not well enough to be crawling around into the car and doing stuff. I'm not even well enough to cut my grass. So you see me sitting because it doesn't hurt when I sit. And I know that's bad for my back when I sit, but I'd rather not be hurt right now. So let's have an unboxing video. I did get some parts in for stuff I want to eventually do. And honestly, to say I remember what I ordered would be a lie. So I did order shocks and bushings, and I think that's what's in here. But I don't remember what's in the small box. And wondered why I needed 2 picks when I ordered all these parts together. Now these are bushings as well. Okay, so these here would be bushings. Let's tease the box apart with a knife. And all right. Okay, so we got some bushing of some kind or other. Press-ins. Woohoo! Those are fun. You're gonna love my press-in video. That's one of my most popular videos, actually. All right, so press-in video. So we need to keep this stuff in the boxes because I don't remember exactly where it goes. I think it only goes one place. Haven't done this in 10 years or more. I think it only goes one place. And it looks like it's made in China. Perfect. All makes made in China. Guess we'll never get around that. I guess never gonna get away from that. No one can bring it back to America for us for a reasonable price. All right, what do we got in here? Lots of stuff. Woot, woot. Lovely. Very beefy. Made out of rubber. And another one. Yay, two. Where's my... All right. New nylocks. Some more press-ins. Panhard rod. This is a famous one to fail. Panhard rod likes to fail when it gets mineral-based Say it! Power steering fluid on it. Yeah. And so where's this located? Right below the leaky steering boxes we have. So yeah, you probably do that one frequently if you have a Land Rover. Here's another Panhard rod bushing, and here's the rubber ones that you see the little red rubber bits falling off the Range Rover. That's what these are for. New voltages. I don't see a second one of those. I would think I had a second one of those somewhere. Some more press-ins. Lovely. Lovely. I'm going to be taking about half the truck apart to get these pieces put in and then hauled back up here. So I think I'm missing one. I honestly do think I'm missing one. Here's my list of stuffs. No, this is where everything goes. So super fun. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2s. And I only saw 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 on this. Where's that supposed to be? 9, 45, 14. Supposed to be quantity required 4. And I have 1. Did I miss it? Nope. Well, we'll be sending them a letter. find out what's the deal on that. Okay. Bummer. Okay. I already grabbed those. All right. And then my shocks. So these are Girling. That doesn't have positive sound to it, does it?
Because little girls are the devil.
Okay, so why didn't you go with the fancy shocks, Eric? Okay. One, I don't drive this that much. In all honesty, I don't drive it very much at all, and I don't need the fancy shocks. Old man emus, or I had Terra Firmas on it. They did fine, I assume. Probably 100,000 miles on them, or at least 50,000. And so they're all worn out though. You can tell from what happens that they're worn out. I can press on that and it'll eventually stop, but it's not as tight as it needs to be. So, but yeah, so we got the Bose Basics here, which is what they carried as their basic shock. And then these Girlings, I'll bet these are backs. I'm not gonna unbox them. Basically, that's it. All right, so we gotta call Atlantic British and say, hey, what's the deal? The kit only had one of those in it. Let's confirm it only had one, so I'm not telling them a falsehood. Two of those bad boys. Two voltages, two nuttages, and Prestons. Yeah, they came up 3 short on this one. Yep, 3 short. All right, well, we'll be contacting them and getting that sorted out. That's about it. And then I know I want to work on this thing too. I had a 5-day weekend and I was unable to do anything because I was stupid and hurt myself. So I'll probably be better next week, I hope. So I'm doing my physical therapy at home.
Let me explain to you how the human body works. I have to warm up my stomach first. Eating chips is like stretching.
And I'm popping a lot of pills.
Pills are good. Pills are good.
To make pain go away so I can walk normally. But other than that, it's going okay. Yep, that's it. That's all I got for this week. Short video. Not a whole lot to talk about when you can't do a lot. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next week.
But wait, there's more.
Okay, well, addendum to the video. I went out to the mailbox, and in the mailbox were the other 3. So they came in a different box. So yay us, we have enough to get this job done. Woot. No phone calls needed, I guess. Yay us. All right, now I'm really gone.